Got to give the people what they want. People want a quick video. They want to do some review. I want to get this done. So let's go. 2.2 test review. Polynomials of a higher degree. You should do this all before me. So A, write this thing right here in standard form. Pause it right now and do that. Then we'll check to see if you did it right. Cool, you did that. So if I'm thinking I got to put this thing in standard form, it has to be in exponent order, but I got to combine like terms if I can. So I see an x cubed, that's the only one. Negative 9x cubed. I see x squareds here and here. Negative 6, negative 8, negative, what's that, 14? X squareds. I see x's here and here. 4 minus 3 is 1x, and I see minus 6. This would be my standard form. This is all stuff that's going to be on the test on Friday. Okay, next, B. I got to put this thing in standard form. Why don't you go ahead and do that? Don't wait for me. Do it before me. See if you're doing it right. So you should be like, well, this is factored form, so I'm going to need to go ahead and multiply everything out. So this is x squared times x, or excuse me, x minus 1, tripping, x minus 2 times x minus 2, x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. So this ends up being x squared minus 4x plus 4. I got to take that, x squared minus 4x plus 4, and I have to multiply that times x plus 3. X cubed, 3x squared, negative 4x squared, negative 12x, 4x, 12. So ultimately I get x cubed minus 1x squared, put those together, minus 8x plus 12. Boom, boom, boom. All right, next part. Write a Poisson equation, making sure that the end behavior matches. Ultimately meaning making sure that you're telling me, is it positive or is it negative? All right, so why don't you go ahead and draw this graph right here. And after you've drawn that graph, tell me now, what is the equation? Pause and give me your possible equation. We don't know the a value, but I do know if it should be positive or negative. So let's see. What do I have? I got a y equals single root right here. So this is 1, 2, 3. So this is x plus 3. Single root right here. This is x plus 1. Single root right here. This is x minus 1. Double root right here. This is x minus 2 squared. Now, I see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 degrees. So this is a 5th degree, meaning it's odd. And I know odds should start like x cubed, which does this. So they should start at the bottom and end at the top. But notice this one starts at the top and ends at the bottom. So that means it must be negative. So I could just put a negative 1 out here. This is a possible equation. As long as you had anything with negative and you had these factors, you're good. Bong, bong, bong. Let's keep it moving. Draw a possible graph for this. So go ahead and pause here and draw what you think your graph should look like. All right, so you did that. So let's see. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I know that this is 1, 2, 3, 4 degrees. So I know it's even. So evens should start at the top, right? It should look like that. Kind of like x squared. So it should start up here and end up here. But this is negative. So my graph needs to start at the bottom and end at the bottom. Okay, so we got x minus 3, x minus 6. So my roots are at 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 3 and 6 starts at the bottom, double root, starts at the bottom, and ends at the bottom. That's what a possible graph looks like. Last part. So what's not covered in this review, but needed for the test? We are doing a lot of A-value practice in class, so I'm not going to make a whole other video about it, but you need to know how to write the equation of a polynomial when given a graph and a point. If you want more review on that, see homework video number 25. But we did a lot of that in practice. All right, that's it. Bass, I'm out. Peace.